What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate Lyca Mobile or add Lyca Mobile eSIM on your iPhone. First of all, you need to go to lycamobile.co.uk, and once you choose your plan, the plan that suits your needs, you will be sent, once you continue the payment and purchase the plan, you will be sent a QR code on your email or any type of communication they are using. And once you receive this QR code, you simply need to go to your settings and then tap on cellular right here. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see here the option to add eSIM. Just tap on it. Here you can choose to transfer your eSIM data from another phone or use QR code. So make sure to use QR code. So tap use QR code right here. And then your camera will be pointed to the QR code that you are sent. So make sure to scan it. And once you do, you'll start the activation wizard. So here, tap on continue. And then it'll be connecting to network. After that, you can label your data plan right here as a primary or secondary. Then tap on continue. And here you can choose your default line, which is used to call or send messages. So choose from your primary one or secondary one, and then tap on continue. And here choose which cellular plan to use with iMessage and FaceTime. Of course, whichever one you labeled as primary and secondary. Then tap on continue. Then choose your default line for cellular data. Then tap on done. And once you do, your eSIM, your Lyca Mobile eSIM, is now added and successfully activated on your iPhone.